In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp on your Mac. So let's see how we can do this thing. To use WhatsApp on our Mac, at first we need to download WhatsApp and then we need to install. So let's see how we can do this thing. I'm going to use Safari browser, but it's fine if you are using any other browser. Then just go google.com. Once you are there, just start typing WhatsApp and then hit return key of your keyboard, and very shortly you'll see whatsapp.com, this website link, which is the official link of WhatsApp. Now once you open this website, on the right side you will see a download button is there. If you click here, it will start downloading. For Safari, it is asking me whether I'm sure to download it or not. So I'm going to press the allow button to start download, and very shortly it will be downloaded. Once the download is finished, then we can minimize this thing because we don't need any more Safari browser. Now let's go to the downloads folder. So inside this downloads folder, I see the WhatsApp DMG file is there. So to install it, just double click here and very shortly it will open like this. Now I'm going to also minimize this window because we don't need it anymore. Now here we have WhatsApp and this is the application folder. So we need to drag it and drop it inside this application folder to start the installation of software. This WhatsApp will be installed shortly. Now we can close it. Now let's open WhatsApp. I'm going to open WhatsApp from this spotlight search. Just click here and it will bring this spotlight search. Now start typing WhatsApp and then hit enter key. Very shortly the WhatsApp application will be opened. But when you open WhatsApp for the first time, it will give you this type of warning that WhatsApp is an app downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We have to press open button to start the application, and here it will give you this option like welcome to WhatsApp, and there is a continue button. We just need to click the continue button and very shortly it will give us a QR code. So what we need to do, we need to open WhatsApp on our phone. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp on my phone. Then we have to do this type of things, like we need to go settings for iPhone or this 3-dot menu for Android, and then we'll find this type of thing, link devices, and then we have to link this device by scanning this thing. So let's see how we can do this thing. Now I need to configure my phone WhatsApp with this Mac, right? So let's open WhatsApp. I'm going to tap on WhatsApp and then very shortly WhatsApp will be opened and it will be like that. And on the right corner of my phone I will see settings. We just need to tap it over there and very shortly it will be like this. Now here it is mentioning like open WhatsApp. Then I'm using iPhone, that's when I access settings, and then it is showing tap link device and then link a device. So if we scroll down, we'll see link device is there. So we just need to tap it over here and very shortly it will be like that. Then we have to press this link device and then very shortly it will ask us to verify my touch ID or passcode, something like that. So I'm going to unlock my phone and then I need to scan this thing with my computer. So I'm going to scan this QR code. Once the scanning process is done, then you will see like this, keep WhatsApp open on both devices. So we just need to keep opening the WhatsApp till I find this notification. Now we can press the continue button and very shortly we'll see the WhatsApp is logged in on our computer. Now actually we can give call or we can text somebody. We can click this thing and we can see all the details. We can also do video call, and that's it. In this way we can easily configure our WhatsApp in our Mac with our phone, and we can use WhatsApp from our Mac, or we can do video call everything from this Mac.